Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to sell Baby Doge coin on Trust Wallet. So you will need to use a decentralized exchange or DAX that supports the trading of Baby Doge. So here's the general guide on how you do it. So first of all, you need to open your Trust Wallet. So launch the Trust Wallet app on your mobile device. Ensure that you have the latest version of the app installed. Now access the decentralized exchange. So tap on the DApps or browser tab at the bottom of the screen. This will open the built-in web browser within the Trust Wallet app. Now connect to a decentralized exchange. In the Trust Wallet browser, navigate to a DEX platform that supports Baby Doge trading. Popular options include PancakeSwap, UniSwap, or any other DEX of your choice. Now connect Trust Wallet to the DEX. So on the DEX website, look for a Connect Wallet or Connect button. Tap on it and select Trust Wallet from the available wallet options. This will establish a connection between Trust Wallet and the DEX. Now select the token pair. So once connected to the DEX, locate the Baby Doge trading pair or the Baby Doge market. You can search for the token pair or find it in the list of available markets. So next you need to set up a sell order. Oh, so you need to set up a sell order. So in the trading interface, look for the sell or swap option for Baby Doge. Select the option and specify the amount of Baby Doge you want to sell. Okay? So after you've done that, review the transaction details. So take a moment to review the transaction details, including the estimated amounts, fees, and slippage tolerance, if applicable. So make sure you are satisfied with the transaction before proceeding. Now confirm the sell order. Once you have reviewed the transaction details, tap on the sell or swap button to initiate the sell order. Trust Wallet will generate a transaction request. Now approve the transaction. So Trust Wallet will prompt you to approve the transaction. Confirm the transaction details, review the gas fee, and follow the on-screen prompts to complete the approval process. Now wait for the sell order to complete. So after approving the transaction, you will need to wait for the sell order to processed on the blockchain. The duration may vary based on network congestion and the specific DEX platform you are using. Now verify your balance. So once the sell order is completed, you should see the updated balance in your Trust Wallet. So check your wallet balance or transaction history to confirm the sale of your Baby Doge tokens. So please note that the availability of Baby Doge and the specific DEX platforms may change over time. So it is recommended to check popular DEX platforms and do thorough research to ensure you are using a reputable and secure exchange. Additionally, consider the gas fees and market conditions before making any transactions. And that is how you do it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one and have a great day.